Before joining, I wasn't active that much. There are times that I couldn't play because my mother wouldn't let me. She doesn't have much time to guide me and support me.
Yung buhay ko po dati, naglalaro lang po ako ng online games, nakahiga po, unmotivated po talaga. Broken family po kami.
When I joined Grassroots and with Coach JC, I now have many opportunities to train and my basketball skills have improved a lot.
Na-excite po ako na nakita ko po yung mga kaibigan ko po masaya, nagbabanding, and ako po nakahiga lang po sa bahay. Kaya po inganyo po ako na sumali po ako at sumama po ako sa kanila. Na-feel ko po na naging active po ulit ako kasi po dahil po sa training, nagkaroon po ako ng passion ulit sa basketball po. Para sa akin po, ito na po yung second family ko po.
Hoops Excel program is very important to this community because it gives free access to everybody. They don't have limitations on who they welcome, who they invite. Being with this program generally helps everyone in this community to be more active and mentally healthy.
Compared to before, I can play now with my friends and I feel I'm slowly chasing my dreams.
Beyond basketball, nakatulong po ang program. Sa personality ko po, maging disiplinado po na player, na maging vocal sa mga players, mas naging complete player po ako.
I was able to learn that coaching goes beyond basketball. You cannot use a one-size-fits-all approach to your training camp because you have to understand these kids, how they grew up so that you can be able to properly coach them more.